Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make your LinkedIn profile visible on Google searches. This is incredibly useful if you want potential employers, clients, or anyone else to easily find your professional profile when they search for your name online. First, you'll need to navigate to linkedin.com and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're fully signed in before moving to the next step, as you'll need access to your profile settings. Once you're logged in, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see your profile picture and basic information. Go ahead and click on your profile. This will take you to your full profile page where you can view everything that's displayed publicly. Now that you're on your profile page, shift your attention to the right side of the screen. Here you'll find a pencil icon next to the text that says Public Profile and URL. Click on this pencil icon to access your public profile settings. This is where you'll control what information is visible to people outside of LinkedIn, including search engines like Google and Bing. After clicking the pencil icon, you'll be taken to a new page with various visibility settings. On the right side, locate the section labeled Your Profile's Public Visibility. This is the main switch that determines whether your profile appears in public search results at all. Next to this heading, you'll see a toggle button. Make absolutely sure this toggle is turned on. If it's off, your profile won't show up in Google searches no matter what other settings you adjust. Now scroll down a bit until you find the Profile Photo section. This controls who can see your profile picture when they view your public profile. You'll notice there are different radio button options here. Click on the radio button next to Public. By selecting this option, you're allowing all LinkedIn members, whether they're on or off LinkedIn, to see your profile photo. This also means your content, including your photo, could be visible in search results on platforms like Google and Bing. And that's it. Your LinkedIn profile is now set up to appear in Google searches, making it much easier for people to find you and your professional information online. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.